In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tradingview multiple chart layouts for free. Tradingview is a powerful platform for tracking and analyzing financial markets, offering an incredible range of tools for traders and investors alike. While the paid versions of Tradingview come with advanced features like multi-chart layouts, today I'll show you a simple workaround that lets you monitor multiple charts simultaneously, even if you're using the free plan. Whether you're comparing different stocks, timeframes, or markets, this setup will help you maximize your productivity and spot trends more effectively. Let's get started. First, open Tradingview in your browser and log into your account. This step ensures you have access to all of your charts and personal settings. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up using the link in the description below. Once you're logged in, the platform will load your saved layouts, preferences, and any watch list you've set up. Next, select the specific chart you want to monitor. This could be a stock, a cryptocurrency, or any other asset you're analyzing. Once the chart is open, go to the URL bar at the top of your browser. You'll need to copy the link to this chart. To do this, highlight the URL, then press Ctrl+C on Windows, or Command+C. If you're using a Mac, copying the link directly is quicker and more accurate than manually searching for the same chart again later. Now open 3 new tabs in the same browser. You can do this by clicking the plus sign located next to your current tab, or by using the shortcut Ctrl+T on Windows or Command+T on Mac. Once the tabs are open, go to each one and paste the Tradingview URL you just copied. To paste, press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac, then hit Enter to load the chart. What this does is create a fresh instance of your Tradingview chart in each tab, so you can work with multiple views side by side. After the charts have loaded, it's time to separate the tabs into individual browser windows. Click on any of the new tabs, hold down the mouse button, and drag it out of the browser until it becomes its own window. Repeat this process for the other 2 tabs as well. By doing this, you'll have 3 separate browser windows, each showing the same chart. This flexibility allows you to arrange them in a way that makes multitasking easier. Now let's arrange these windows on your desktop for a clear and organized view. If you're using Windows, hover your mouse over the Minimize button in one of the browser windows. You should see layout shortcuts pop up. Select the option that divides the screen into 4 quadrants. Then, drag each browser window into a different quadrant. If you're working on a Mac or another operating system that doesn't have layout shortcuts, don't worry. You can manually resize and position each window to fit your screen. The goal is to have all the charts visible at the same time, side by side. Once your windows are arranged, it's time to customize each Tradingview chart according to your needs. Start by adjusting the time interval on each chart. For example, you might set one chart to show 1-minute intervals, another to 5-minute intervals, a third to 15-minute intervals, and the last one to daily intervals. This way, you'll get a comprehensive view of market trends across different time frames. Alternatively, you can use each window to track a different asset entirely, perhaps comparing the performance of multiple stocks, cryptocurrencies, or currency pairs. To make these changes, use the toolbar within each Tradingview window. By tailoring each chart to your specific analysis, you'll be able to monitor multiple perspectives simultaneously and make more informed decisions. And there you have it, a straightforward way to create a multi-chart layout in Tradingview without paying for a premium subscription. By leveraging multiple browser windows, you can analyze several charts at once and stay on top of the markets without missing a beat. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.